Hello everybody. I wanted to put a tutorial together for you using this CodeHS because it's a little more complicated than the game that we played yesterday. So once you get registered, once you get logged in, you'll see block 1 or block 6 depending on what section you're in. So if you ever get lost on this page, make sure you can just go ahead, click my section, it'll bring you right to this page, or if you click my assignments, it'll take you to exactly the assignments that I want you to do. So let's see here. Okay, I'm not necessarily worried about the intro to CS Python pretest. I'm not worried about the welcome. Okay, what I'm worried about is your introduction to programming with turtle graphics. Okay, so here are all of the little assignments that you can do using Python with this turtle graphic. So let's go into the intro of Python with Tracy the turtle. Excuse me. If you want to watch the video, you can watch it. If you want to do the quiz, you can. However, I'm not worried about it. I think you guys are smart enough to figure this out without doing that stuff. I do want you to look at the example, and I do want you to do the exercise. So if we click on the example here, it'll take us to this page. Okay? So for this, okay, let's click here. Where is it? Sorry, hold on one second. Not going to show the description. Okay, so this is the example of what you're going to be doing. You are going to be drawing. This is the turtle, Tracy. You're going to be drawing a slinky. Okay, so here, what they're asking you to do is draw a circle where the radius is 35, and then Tracy the turtle moves forward 20 pixels after it draws the circle. So we can see here, you will have to type this. So you will physically have to type out circle, parentheses, 35, forward, parentheses, 20. Okay, depending on your instructions, you'll say how many times you need to type that out. When you're typing, make sure you're using all lowercase letters, no capitals. Okay, so you can run the code, and you see over here, Tracy is doing the drawing very well. Okay, awesome. So that's the example. So then we go over to our program. Okay, with the actual exercise, it's saving. It takes a little while. Be patient, please. Okay, so now here we are on this page. So the assignment, go to assignment up here. Okay, what we're going to do here. We need to write a program that will have Tracy draw a stretched out slinky. So a little bit different than the example. 5 rings, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, each circle should have a radius of 35. Tracy should move forward 40 pixels after every circle. Okay, so I already had the typed here from earlier. So circle 35, forward 40. So what we can do is we can run the code. Looks good, right? We have one circle. We can check the code too. So this is telling us here that I need to have 5 forward commands, and I should have 5 circles. But this looks right so far, yes? What you can do is you can copy and paste. So that's 1 circle, right? 2 circles. Run the code. Looks good, but we need 5. So here's 3, 4, and 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. Run the code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, check the code. Looks good, right? Submit and continue. Great job. We did it. Okay, and my alarm is going off. Okay, submit and continue. So that was step 1. Okay, so now this is the next part, Tracy's grid world. So here, what you can do, again, here's the video, here's the quiz. You can go to the examples. Okay, you don't have to go through all of the quiz and the video if you don't want to. So same thing before, this is giving us the instructions here, the example, okay? You need to draw a dotted line is what it's telling us here, okay? You can run the code to see it, okay? You can continue. And now you're going to have to do your own, okay? So here's the assignment. It's telling you exactly what you need, okay? So the lines are 50 pixels long. Space between the pixels is 50. So here's the example, and you have to make that your own. Okay, say you get all turned around and you get lost. You can click My Section. You can click View Assignments. Go back to the introduction. Come on. Why it's so slow today. Okay, we completed step 1, step 2, and then you can go down to the exercise and do these 3 exercises here, 2 exercises, excuse me. I want you to get through at least 2.3. This is actually kind of addicting. I played for a long time when I first started this assignment. So however much you want to do, feel free to do it. For the assignment, I need you to do up to 2.3 and then take a picture of this page where it has it's completed and send that to me in an email. Okay, hope this helps. Email me if you have any questions.